It's a phrase that most likely brings up thoughts of lines for coffee at a drive-up window.
But in and around Bangor, Pay It Forward is an organized program to cover the costs of sometimes little challenges with big results. News Center Maine's Hannah Yeshivi explains what it's all about.
Inspired by the book and 2000 film Pay It Forward, Rick Bernstein from Bangor kicked off his own forward plan by planting a seed of money in a handful of Bangor organizations.
And when they can pass that seed on, like a game of tag, when they can play tag with the person who's going to receive the funds or the services, and then in turn watch that ripple effect, it really inspires folks.
One of the first agencies on board with a fund was Bangor Public Health and Community Services. Rindy Fogler manages it.
Our charge is basically to be open to people who are in need of help, where help might not necessarily be available through other means.
Help that Linda Arsenault and her husband got from the Pay It Forward fund that Rindy oversees.
It happened that our septic system needed to be pumped out. It was full. We didn't have the funds right then to have that done.
So all the cleaning for her septic tank buried below this yard got taken care of.
It saved our septic system. It just gave us a breath of fresh air that there was somebody out there to help us do something.
For the elderly couple, paying it forward was easy. They already volunteer at different organizations in town, lending their own helping hands to others. Bernstein says the simple act of paying it forward strengthens communities in the process.
And getting you to realize that even in spite of whatever problems you're facing today, that you could turn around and in your everyday life make that difference.
Those without permanent roofs over their heads can make a difference. So the Bangor Area Homeless Shelter has its own Pay It Forward fund.
If somebody needed a little extra money to move into an apartment that they didn't quite have, we would do that. We had a couple people get jobs and they needed boots or non-slip shoes, and we utilized that funding for that.
We see a lot of tears of people who are scared and frustrated, sometimes angry. The Pay It Forward program, I see a lot of tears, but they're tears of joy.
A well-established movement in Bangor where hopefully others beyond the town lines can also take part. At the end of the day, they're just simple acts of kindness. In Bangor, Hannah Yeshivi, News Center Maine.
We have a list of the Bangor organizations that have a Pay It Forward fund on our website and mobile app.
If you are interested in donating to a specific one, you can do so directly to them.